Hi, I'm Teddy Banks, and I'm gonna do a toy review that's in this chest. The chest is sort of kind of like a little bit of the toy review. So this is a chest I got from my Nana. And let's see what's inside. This one's a little broken. All right. So this one is my special safe. I use it to keep all my money in it. So how to open it is you push that, take that out, get that, push that back in, then push that, then you put the key in, and then it opens. You gotta keep it there. You can't just go like that and then it opens. It'll just stay locked, but if you go like that and then open it, it'll do it. Now, this didn't really come with it. That's the toy review with this. This is just a wallet in a wallet that has all my money in it, and has all my little coins right here. And I also have an ID, my little ID, see? And have some pictures of I have a picture of my siblings from a couple years ago. And a picture of me in a funny costume that looks like my ID next to my sister. So, and I have completely, for some reason, a lot of money in this. It's like so much. All right, so now I'm gonna move on to the next thing. Just let me do it. Put that back in. Y'all. And also, I woke up so early just to do this toy review for Will Bangs and all of his kids. Or not like kids, like students. So, and I want you to hit the like button below. All right. Get out.
What are you doing now?
Next, I have this that has very little things. They're just little stuff. And I have two little keys that we'll be looking at with the thing after that's last. Then we have a little necklace made of fake pearls. And we have my magical pen that you've seen in one of my videos. The magic one, you remember it. So, and then I have a spyglass. And I also have an invisible pen. I don't put these in one of my one of these, but I'm toy reviewing it. I didn't put it in, but so when you draw, like look, I put a lightning bolt on me. So see, try to look closely, you don't see it, right? So wait, let me put the cap back on. And then when I turn it on, this happens. It's like it shows it. This is called invisible ink. And I have an eye patch. And I also have a pencil that we'll be looking at in a second. And this is what is attached about the keys and the keys in the book and the pencil. So it's just my number book. Oh, okay. And I have And I have a penny. And I have 2 heart gems. And then one white gem. And then 1 yellow gem. I'll see you next time on Teddy's Pretty Cool Channel. Bye.